Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix low call volume in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to increase or decrease call volume during call, to here you can two buttons, you can increase and decrease volume of your call. And if it doesn't work, then open settings and go in sounds and haptics. And here you can increase and decrease your call volume. And if it doesn't work, then go in general and go in software updates to check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating the latest version of iOS, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.